Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
Alright, how are you doing?
I'm very good.
So what's your name?
My name is Shina Isaac Peters Jr.
Okay, so what's your relationship with Shina Peters?
He's my father. I'm the last born.
Are you serious?
Yes, I am.
Man, you look good.
Thank you so much.
Alright, so what exactly can you say about your dad?
He's a legend, absolute legend. One of Nigeria's best artists and best pioneers in my opinion. But to me, he's just that all the same. But you know, events like this show me how much he's appreciated across Nigeria and across the world.
Okay, so what exactly do you like about him?
I mean, he's a very down-to-earth person, a wonderful person, very generous, very loving. I couldn't ask for any better.
Okay, of all his tracks, which one do you consider your favorite?
I would say Shina Mania.
Okay, can you sing it?
No, you can't be putting.
You have to sing it. You have to sing it.
You can't be putting me on the spot like that now.
Okay. All right. So, what are your wishes for Shina Peters?
What?
What are your wishes for his 60th birthday?
I hope he has a lot of blessings, a lot of love this year. May God continue to bless him, keep him. May he see 70, 80, 90, and many more. May he see have my own kids. Let him see me have my own last boy.
Okay, is there this special thing about your dad that people don't really know?
I would say like the way he gives advice. His advice is the absolute best, and trust. Not a lot of people have that ability to trust, but he trusts me in anything I do. If I tell him how to do this, he's going to say, go for it, I believe in you. And that's one thing that I know a lot of people can give.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. You have to subscribe. There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's so. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.